Okay, so we're here at what's the name again? Mangrove Park or something?
Yeah.
Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour. Hi, Joshi. What are you doing? Careful, sit down. Okay. So,
I just fly.
Dad.
Guys!
Where? Shh. Where?
Okay, it's a photo. Wow.
I
Kulupot siya sa sanga.
Oh my, yeah, there I see it already. Ayan na.
This one, oh, Josh.
Do not point!
Sit down, Josh.
Another snake.
You see it?
Know that? She know that?
Sa atin, tinatanggap namin kayo ng bumubuhay. Ito po ang Mangrove Tour, community basis na community merit. Our job here, giving the true information about the special tree in the Philippines. We call them Bakawan, Mangrove,
Yes.
here they are. The mangrove. Look at your left and right side. These are mangroves. Bakawan, the Filipino name of this tree.
Yeah.
If you heard the word Bakawan, meaning mangrove is special tree in the Philippines. Mostly growing on the river banks with a brackish water. The water here is brackish. It is a mixture of salty and sweet. 2% salty water came from the ocean and 1% fish water is from the jungle.
Okay.
The mixed together result brackish or taksim. So this is Mangrove Tour community based sustainable tourism. It is. We are giving the true information about the specialty in the Philippines. Here on this river bank, we have 4 kinds of mangrove. 4 na klase ng bakawan meron tayo dito. And to of them, they have their gender. May kasarian po yung dalawa. We have male and female mangrove. Male mangrove, here they are. Pointed leaves.
Pointed leaves.
Yeah,
No?
Pointed
at
leaves.
the right side.
Male mangroves.
Yes.
Yes.
This is sexual.
Oh, here they are. Lalaki.
Ay, there. Ayun, ah.
Dumapa sa bawah.
I
Datapos
see.
dara.
Sa turtle dove.
Turtle dove.
Bato-bato.
Yeah, that's bird.
Ah, it's the bird.
Turtle dove. Also. And this is turtle dove.
Girl. Here.
Oh,
Female.
Female.
female mangrove.
White leaves.
With the tiny flowers between the leaves, those are girl mangrove. There is a girl.
Okay.
Bae. Rhizophora mocronata, the scientific name of girl mangrove.
What if they're not sure?
But
Why
is
they're
there a
pointed?
gay mango? Is there a gay mangrove?
No gay.
None.
No gay mangrove. You have a nice question, darling. According to
Just
our
like
professor
the
of biology, boy and
crab.
girl mangrove are male and female.
Yeah, both.
No cross-pollination happens to them.
Oh,
Compared to a human being, they are not a lover. No cross-pollination to the male and female mangrove.
okay.
They are self-germinated trees. June to November, we have examples in the book. We have only female. June to November, male mangrove, tinarapin to leaves, germinate, will give its own variety of fruits. June to November. Then
June to
November to May rotation, female mangrove will give its own variety of fruits.
Oh, these are male.
Bear their own variety.
Because they're
No
pointed.
existing another variety. That's why we call them self-germinated. Walang pagsasaling lahi. Yan.
You don't crossbreed.
Here, basta
Okay.
full fruit of girl. Girl only here. Girl mangrove. Fruit of mangrove is for planted only and a food of monkey. Ito po yung bunga ng babae.
Oh.
But there is a fruit what?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is kind of the seeds there.
That's a
With
fruit?
hanging fruits, there are many.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is for planting only and a food of monkeys.
Do they have seeds or something?
For monkeys.
Yeah. This is the food of them.
But how do they reproduce?
No.
They
I
will
think that,
just
no
go
cross-pollination
down to
happens to them. They're just leaving their fruits.
So it's
Same.
sterile
Yeah,
fruits.
self-germinated tree. But these fruits
Self-germinated.
bringing to the branches, according to the biologists, they're already germinated themselves alone. After 3 months, these fruits really falling down on the mud, stick on the mud, then grow as a baby tree. Or else, if fell down on the water, floating around then is planted the garden grow. And it will take 1 year floating in the water, this fruit, it will not dry, it will not die. For instance, fell down here in the Philippines now, January. After 1 year, it will reach Indonesia. If it is capable to grow in Indonesia, it will grow in Indonesia. Yan, ganun siya nagpaparami.
Oh.
If the fruit flat on the ground like this, first exit of the roots here. Once the roots exit to the lower part of the body of the fruit, stick on the ground firmly, then it will make itself stand slowly. Toing, 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 toing. Yan, ganun siya.
On its
So,
own.
ayan, oh.
It will
It's
correct
one portion
itself.
around the body of the fruit, exit of the roots again. Result.
Careful, Joshua.
There are roots of mangrove trees growing in the upper part of the body of the fruit. Yan, ganun siya. But it will very deeply underground, more than 5 meters, as protection from disaster like flood and typhoon.
Oh, that's why.
Napakalaga ng kahoy ng bakawan. That's why we call them special tree in the Philippines. This mangrove bakawan, no? This floating fruit. Another female mangrove is there. The hanging fruit.
Which one are bigger? The male or
The fruit of female mangrove is bigger and longer than the fruit of male. Hoping that we can see a fruit of male.
Wait, technically ba, do the fruits of the male grow?
Yes. They're
The same, they will grow the same.
self-germinated. So
Self-germinated. So,
It's
ano yan,
capable of
humihinog na silang sarili nila habang nakabitin pa sa sanga. At nahihinog na. Pag nahulog yan sa putik, tutubo na kaagad as a baby tree.
Baby
Yes, mangrove. So we are here at Garden of this area because here in mangrove area. Fish will later reach here January until June. Now is the first month of the year. Fish, 70% of fish come from the ocean, like bangus, like grouper will come in this area during the night time to lay their eggs. After 6 months, mother bangus or mother grouper going back in the ocean. Yung anak nila,
They will
the-
just simply lay eggs.
yeah. They just lay their eggs here. After 6 months, going back in the ocean, the babies they have will live here. Why? Because if they will go outside at once, giant fish will eat them in the ocean. Yeah, the four of them, all living things on the water, lahat ng nabubuhay, excuse me. You will grab all of them. Di katonto ay igan. May bayawa kayo, no?
ayun, monitor lizard.
Stop mo muna, stop mo muna.
There.
Monitor lizard, bayawak in Tagalog. Para makuha nilang picture. Ganyan pag may type tayo makita, itigil nyo. Makuha nilang picture.
Nice.
And they eat that.
That monitor lizard, it will see here because of fish. Number of food of them fish. And that monitor lizard, bayawak, the Filipino name, no poison. No venom. The meat is edible. It is like chicken.
There's another one.
Another one,
It's a bird. It's a bird or what?
bird, we call it gray.
Gray.
Oh yeah, that is a grape. Tikling.
Tickling.
Native name is
That's why
tikling.
snake is like chicken, right?
Native name is
Yeah.
Likling.
I tried it. Diba?
Yeah.
Bayawak.
Yeah.
May halo pa.
Materials like building houses or in schools. First class charcoal for business. No cutting. Preserved for as protection of disaster like flood and typhoon. Kaya bawal, no cutting again. Hindi ka binabantayan namin. This is our area of responsibility. If you see somebody cutting woods around the area, we call it once, the Renyusog National Park. First offense, blah blah blah. Litsol-litsol, kasi walang tukang dito eh.
Tukang.
Take our professor in biology, we call them century tree, 100 years.
100 years. This
But others are
mangrove
more than
trees.
100
More than 100 years.
More than 100 years, the age of this. Untouchable nature. And the whole country of Philippines, this is the only area that we can see them now.
We didn't understand where was the Camilo. Where is it?
In the bark, did you see,
Yeah, we saw the
the bark there
And
are
there
holes
were holes.
inside. The
inside.
inside.
And they call them the lap. Yung napagkain nila, yung rattonwood.
They eat the rotten, that's their food, the rotten wood.
That is the food of Camilo.
Ano siya, magiging hayop po ba yan? O ano?
Maging worm siya. The form is like a worm, but then it is a member of shellfish like oyster.
Member of the shellfish.
Once the rattonwood will decay, the tamilok will decay also. So the egg come from the water naturally. Mangrove forest, the best absorber of pollution, Louis. Pinakamlakas daw, effective ng dumi sa hangin ang kabakawan. Kung hangin dito, napakaganda raw yan sa mga masakit sa puso at baka.
Okay.
It's good for the heart and lung. So we have a fresh air here.
They absorb more. They say the mangrove trees, they absorb more carbon dioxide than the other trees.
Towards fish.
Wait.
Yun na po, dito po ano?
Sandali po.
What?
That one. Above us.
Like directly above us right now. There you go. I gotcha. Yeah. Oh my god.
To the water and
Ma. Yeah.
swim.
Yeah, they can.
They will just drop and oh my gosh.
So we don't know if it's a drop or not.
Yeah. So okay, I got it. We can move. Nice seeing you.
Drop.
From the very old song for the Philippines. You have no choice. I will sing a song for you. You like it or not. Everything loaded.
It's part of the package.
Anyway, you have your translator, sir. Halinaw hirang sa barangay Kabayugan, ating masilayan na iniibang batawan. Tayo kay mamangka patungong batawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Bakaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlogang isda. Una ng pagkain, huwag itong putulin. Bagkus ay mahalin, ikatalim pa ay dito nang galing.
Turtle dove.
Amilok na masarap, oy! Ipon na mailap, oy! Talabang malasa, at lupa na biyak. Ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin. Tulong sa mahirap, sa makawan galing.
Nice.
Look the special says, hey,
sayaw na yan.
Kami. I love you.
Everything she said, she put it in a song.
Yeah.
That's
Great. Thank you so much.
Derived from the very, very old songs of the Filipinos.
Yeah. Paro
Bukid,
paro.
Or butterfly at the right here.
Yeah.
What was the song on Filipinos during the Spanish regime? Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Salamat po.
That one wraps up our
70.